What I'm trying to present to my customers is an experience that they're not going to get anywhere else in the aftermarket. We are a service business. We're a hospitality business. We're here to help. It just so happens that we fix cars.
Carfix is better just because of our commitment to integrity and transparency and the excellent service that we are willing to provide. We love being able to treat customers just like we would treat our own family members and to be able to provide the high level of service.
Drastically different. From the owner to the management to the service writers, it's not about the dollar. It's about making sure that the customer's taken care of, and not only taken care of, that they're educated. And that makes a big difference.
Transparency is the biggest thing. Making sure that our customers know exactly what's going on with their vehicle. Whether they come in for an oil change or a state inspection, we're going to look over every vehicle the same way so that we give that 100% quality service every time. We have loaner cars, we have shuttle rides, we have Ubers, we have it all. We have it all.
There are a lot of things that I like to think make us stand out from the regular guy, right? The easy things to say are we have a 5-year, 50,000-mile nationwide warranty, which is pretty awesome. We have free loaner vehicles. We have valet service. We're going to pick up your car, do the service, and bring it back to your house for you or back to work if you'd like. We have free shuttle service. Our technicians are ASE certified. That's something that we take a lot of pride in, is I'm not going to have someone working on your car that I wouldn't be comfortable having them work on my car. But what it really comes down to, though, is the people that we have in our company. The smiling faces that we have greeting you at the door, and the teamwork that we have in the shop it's hard to beat. And that really separates us from the pack, I believe. I think you're going to get an experience at Carfix like you can't get anywhere else.
I've come to Carfix for quite a few years now. To me, it's a great local shop. They're kind of like family, right? And you want family to take care of you and your vehicle. So that's why I've been coming here for so long.
The reason you want to bring your car here is that we're going to have all kinds of great benefits. First and foremost, you're going to get to deal with me or any one of my awesome co-workers up front. Then what's going to happen is you're going to have an ASE-certified technician inspecting and checking over your vehicle, performing your service. You're going to get top quality parts, so it really makes that experience of having your car in reliable, good shape super easy, super quick, also super quality, well done.
Here we stand on absolute integrity. You know, we do digital video inspections, and that way, you know, we're not just telling you that your part's bad, we are able to show you how it's bad. The industry's gotten a bad rap for decades by questionable ethics, and what we do here eliminates the possibility that that's an issue.
There's a lot of things in the industry where people just don't have the knowledge about cars, and that's where we want to be that step above and be able to give the knowledge and the reasoning behind why items need to be replaced, or any safety concerns, or even some preventive maintenance and the benefits of doing it.
I always felt so almost insecure to walk into other mechanic shops because I never knew if they were telling me 100% truth. I know that when I come here, when I talk to Tyson, when I talk to Xander, they're not upselling me on things I don't need. They're giving me great advice, and I can just trust what they're telling me.
There are different models of how businesses serve clients in our sector, in the auto repair sector. There are very high volume transactional models where the people at the front desk, it's a different person every time you come in. You never know them, they never know you. They take orders, they call you, and maybe they tell you what you need, maybe they don't. Maybe you get there and the price is what you thought it was going to be, maybe it's not. Maybe they don't call you back at all until you call them. And then there's a relationship-based model where everybody knows your name. I like to think that we're like the Cheers of auto repair. Our guys develop relationships with our clients. I've got clients that have been coming to us for 20 years. We know what sports your kids play. We remember your old car that you used to have, not just the car that you brought in today. So I think that makes a difference.